Oh my goodness, Spy Ninjas. Check out the VidCon website. Project ZORGO just hacked it.
Let me take the camera.
They actually replaced all the featured creators with Project ZORGO members.
Yeah, like there's PZ2 right there. PZ301. PZ409.
Is that the German one?
PZ5. What's that mean?
I think that's German for 5.
So there's no YouTubers on there anymore.
I thought PZ9 was the one who's taking over VidCon, but is he helping them now? Is he back with Project ZORGO?
Oh, maybe they're just going on without him.
Daniel, can you hack into Project ZORGO's security cameras?
Oh, you bet your bottom dollar I can.
Daniel, hack it.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh.
Okay, so this is in the headquarters. Oh, look at all of them. Let's see.
Turn the volume up.
Yeah, let's see if we can eavesdrop on them.
VidCon passes are going to be distributed this week. Where exactly? Today at the park.
They're gonna be exchanging VidCon passes with each other at the park.
Okay, what are the coordinates? 35 degrees west and 160 degrees north.
Oh, did you just hear that? They said a bunch of numbers. That must be coordinates or something.
That must be where they're exchanging the passes. We gotta get there and stop them.
I can use my compass in my fanny pack here. It's the Spy Ninja Essential Kits right here. It comes with a compass, so we know exactly where to go.
Let's go! Where are those hackers at?
Yeah, where are they?
I don't see them anywhere.
Oh, let me get my binoculars out.
Do you see hackers anywhere, V?
Wait, I think there's one standing right there.
I don't see them anywhere, V.
Looks like they're at the skate park right now. So let's go over there.
Okay. Launch off my knee. There you go, there you go.
Go, Daniel, go, Daniel.
Yes! Good job.
Oh!
There's hackers. Get him. Whoa, look, there's tons of hackers.
What are they talking about?
I don't know, I can't really hear them.
PZ9 is not going to help us out with this mission, but we must do it ourselves.
They said PZ9 is not joining them for the mission, so they're gonna do it themselves now.
Whoa, what is in their hands? What is that?
I think those are the VidCon passes, guys.
Oh, did you see that? They're handing out VidCon passes.
Yes.
That's the only way they can get in.
Oh my gosh, they're coming.
What's wrong with PZ2?
PZ2, he's too strong to get over.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck? Poor little guy.
We gotta go after them.
We have to get those passes.
Yeah, we need to split up too.
Split up. Come on.
PZ2 over there, he's so helpless. I kind of feel kind of bad for him because he's like super short. I can't use Spy Ninja moves on him. I can only use it for self-defense. What's he doing? He's going inside of it? He's littering. He's taking trash out of the trash. I think he's running away. Let's go get him.
They're hackers, right?
We are hackers.
Yeah. Okay, so what if we hacked onto the VidCon website and changed all the PZ members back to featured creators and we can save VidCon?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
How?
Well, you're a hacker. Tell me.
We gotta go to like an electrical box.
Okay.
To hack into it.
Do you see any here?
Well, what do you know? Okay, yeah, this is an electrical system of Las Vegas. So if we can just hack into this and go into the network.
We're saving VidCon.
Yeah.
All right,
well, my phone right here.
Yeah. What's the number for this electrical box?
Oh, look, right there. 4515553. Okay, cool. All right, I'm in. That worked. Okay.
Going.
So vidcon.com.
You got this?
All right, so now I gotta hack into the website and put the create.
Ah!
Gosh! Wait!
Get away!
Jay, you okay?
Yeah, he's on the floor. I'll distract him. You keep hacking.
I'll keep
Get him.
hacking.
Okay. Oh, he's getting up, guys.
Oh shoot! Okay, I hope Regine's gonna be okay.
Okay, there he is. He's dropping into the skate park. Okay, I'm gonna follow him. Where did he go? Guys, do you see him anywhere?
How predictable!
Hey, you're PZ301.
I knew you Spy Ninjas were coming for the VidCon passes. That's why I brought you here to the skate park.
You're the one who tried to beat up V.
She proved to be quite a challenge.
You're the one we did the Flores Lava Challenge against, and you were a real sore loser.
Well, it wasn't fair. Of course you guys cheated.
The Spy Ninjas never cheat. We always win fair and square.
Well, let's see if you can win this pass for me. Good luck catching up to me.
Oh, shoot. Okay, I gotta get up here. You get back here, give me that pass. Drop it in, guys. Woo! Oh, shoot.
I also know that PZ2 and PZ9 are pretty good friends. PZ2 and PZ9 actually did some fruit chopping together in that one video. I think I'm gonna pretend that I'm PZ9 and pretend to be his friend. The first note I'm gonna leave for PZ2 is that I'm gonna ask him to bring me some fruit. So that way he's gonna like have to hold it really low, then he's gonna get all off balance, so maybe he'll fall on his back and I don't have to like injure him in any ways. Let's see what he's doing right now. What's he doing? He's destroying the lawn. What is he doing? I'm gonna go sneak up behind him and leave this note for him. Oh, he sees the note. Wait, what's going on? Why is he turning? He's playing soccer with it now. Oh my goodness. I don't think my plan worked because the way that PZ2 was like holding the note, he was turning it upside down and all over the place. I don't think he knows how to read. He must not have went to school or something. So that's why you need to stay in school so you know how to read.
Okay, VidCon.com. Dang, look at all these hackers. What do they think they're doing? I gotta find a way to get them off of the website. If we get their passes and they're off of the website, there's no way they can go. Okay, let's get rid of this guy. Bam, okay, let's replace him with a YouTuber. There you go, Guava Juice. Welcome back to the VidCon website. Let's get rid of this fool right now. Bam, you're gone. No VidCon for you. All right, let's replace it with this guy. Oh, whoops. Wait, what the heck happened? Shoot, okay, I didn't mean to do that. That's just a little coding error on my part. Let's get rid of that. Oh, shoot, good thing Regina's not around.
He's so close, guys. I'm really good at hiding, as you guys know. Maybe we could lose this hacker. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I think I outran him. He can't see me right now. He's like going in circles, look. Guys, wait, do you see that? I think he has the VidCon pass right in his pocket. But I really hope that was a good enough distraction for Daniel so that he could keep hacking the VidCon website. Oh, wait, look guys. Oh gosh, I need to get that pass somehow. Oh, he's coming over. I am a Spy Ninja now, so that means I got a Spy Ninja backpack. You know, the Spy Ninjas always have some crazy gadgets. Maybe something in here will help me out. Well, there's this giant thing sticking out here. A fishing rod? Oh look, and it has Spider-Man on it. It must be Chad's.
You come back here! Whoa! Hey, bring me that pass! Oh, shoot! I didn't get up! Okay. Get back here! Oh, shoot, where'd he go, guys?
Do you guys see him anywhere?
He couldn't have gotten far.
Yeah, if I get down low, maybe he won't see me, and I'll have a chance to sneak up on him if I can find him again. Let's take a peek over this bar right here.
Okay, where'd he go, guys? Do you see him anywhere? Oh, there he is. It's right there. He lost me.
All right, guys, I'm gonna sneak around this way, go around this loop right here, and I'll catch him. Maybe I can sneak up behind him without him hearing me, and I can grab that pass right out of his pocket.
He might be behind this big bulb. Oh, there he is. I gotta get him. Hey! Hey, get come here! Oh!
I'm gonna have to draw him a note because you at least can recognize drawings, right? I drew PZ9 holding a watermelon, so I think he probably knows what that means because PZ9 has that unique mask. I actually made my note into a paper airplane, which is pretty cool, so I can just like throw this at PZ2 so I don't have to get too close to him. Okay, I'm gonna try and... The wind took it that way instead of straight to PZ2. Okay, you guys, the wind is kind of disrupting my whole entire plan here. I gotta go the other way so the wind works with me. So I'm gonna try and go around PZ2 and throw this at him. It's right there. I can't believe that tipped him over. Oh my gosh, I think that actually worked, you guys. I don't know where he's going, but let's follow him.
Okay, I don't know how much time I have left. I don't know where Regina went. I hope everybody's doing okay. I just gotta do like a mass hack. Like just replace everybody at the same time. Okay. Be gone, hackers! Yes, okay. Let's replace them all with YouTubers. Okay, I think it worked. All the YouTubers are back. Okay, good as new. Back to the way it's supposed to be. YouTubers are going to VidCon, not the hackers.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to hook the string onto the Project ZORGO member's VidCon pass. I think he's trying to look for me. His VidCon pass is in his pocket, guys. I've never done this before, so give me a thumbs up for good luck, guys. 3, 2, 1, go! I think it worked, I think it worked! Hook, line, and sinker, as Daniel would say. Guys, all I need to do is reel it in. Let me put you guys down so I can do that. Okay. Do you see that, guys? I got a big one, guys! I hit the jackpot, let's go!
Come here. This guy's fast. Who knew 301 was so fast? I'm gonna turn around. Gonna go this way. Ah! Ow! Whoa! He slid right under me. He's me. Come here. Yeah. Get back here, hacker. Yeah. Vault it over. Where are you going? Oh shoot! Get back here. Come back here. Oh, there's a jumper. You come back here. Yeah, I know where to go now. There's the badge. Yes.
Not fair.
It is fair. I got the VidCon badge, guys. Let's get out of here. Let's go.
What happened to PZ2? I don't know where he went. He just kind of disappeared again. Is he behind one of these trees? I think that's him right there. What is he carrying? Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I feel so bad for him. PZ2, are you okay? Ah! Jeez! PZ2, calm down. I'm just gonna help you get up. I'm gonna help you. No, I'm helping you. Gosh, I'm gonna roll you over. Ah! Okay, okay, you're up. Oh, oh no. I got the pass from VidCon, and that is what I need. So let's go meet up with Chad, Daniel, and Regina. All right, let's go, guys! Let's go, me, PZ2! Let's go! What a weirdo, PZ2! So weird! Oh, wait, I lost my hat! Oh, no.
PZ2!
That's PZ9!
Yeah. Hey! Buddy, what's going on? I haven't seen you in such a long time. Oh, calm down there. Oh my gosh, you got a new mask!
Oh, he can't talk.
What are you saying?
Oh, he's using like sign language to PZ9.
You got punched?
Oh no, he found my
punched you?
hat. That's my hat. I left my hat there. I was trying to get it back. He found my hat.
What? The spy ninjas
Oh
again!
no. And he described me. Short? I'm not that short.
Short, yeah.
Oh no.
It's gotta be V. Who else is that short? Her scent must still be on this hat. It was nice seeing you again, PZ2. But I'm sure you have your mission to fulfill. Go get him!
I think he's going to look for me now. Oh, shh. Wait. I gotta call for backup, you guys.
Oh, I just got a video message from V.
Chad, Daniel, Regina, PZ9 is here. Come meet me.
PZ9 is here?
She needs backup.
Let's go.
I hope the Spy Ninja team's gonna come soon. Oh, it's Regina. Oh, wait, you got it by using a fishing pole? That's so cool.
It's right here. So wait, PZ9's here? Where's everyone else?
Well, I don't know. Oh, Chad.
Look what I got.
What'd you get?
PZ301 said I got it fair and square. He said it was totally fair.
Did you revenge me, Chad?
I did. You'd be proud.
Well, where's Daniel?
Hey.
Oh!
Daniel, where's your badge?
I didn't get a badge.
You didn't?
But I did hack the VidCon website back, so all the featured creators are back. All the hackers are gone.
Good
Whoa,
job.
yeah.
But you need a VidCon badge because you can't get into VidCon without it.
Well, there was only 3 hackers, right?
Nope, there's 4.
Shoot! I do everything.
Get back over there.
Okay.
Just kidding, Daniel. Come back.
V said PZ9's here.
Sure, we can't be seen with you and Regina because we made an alliance with PZ9.
Yeah, he thinks we're gonna go hack VidCon with him.
But we gotta get out of here.
All right, I'll equip you guys with these. Okay.
Which one? What?
Here are the spy pens. We can watch over you.
Okay.
All right, good luck, guys.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go hide behind this tree.
Okay. Good luck, Chad and Daniel. Oh, there he is. PZ9. Now we should go back to the safe house and watch them on the spy pens through our security cam.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
Oh, it's PZ9.
Hey, Daniel. Hey.
What's up?
Hey, PZ9.
Hey,
Take a seat.
no, we got a mission to go. Let's get up.
Get him.
We got a big mission to do here.
You gotta hit VidCon, man. Let's do it.
Hey,
What?
I see you got the passes.
Yeah, it's VidCon. Yo, we gotta get in.
Wait a minute.
What?
What is that?
It's just a writing utensil.
Wait.
Writing utensil?
Yeah, that's how I wrote my name on my pass here.
You ever heard of a writing utensil before?
I've seen a lot of writing utensils before, and these are no ordinary writing utensils. This is a spy pen!
Oh,